Hello, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you, beta?
I'm fine.
My dear students, my dear viewers, and my dear subscribers, may I introduce my lovely daughter, my lovely student, brilliant student, Aimen Fatima from Lahore, Pakistan. माशाल्लाह आज हम अपनी स्टूडेंट से गपशप लगाएंगे और उनकी पसंदीदा चीज़ों के बारे में हम पूछेंगे और उनका सबक भी सुनेंगे और उसके बाद हम तजवीद के कुछ रूल्स भी बताएंगे, उनका सबक सुनेंगे और उनसे हम आयतुल कुर्सी भी सुनेंगे विद उर्दू और इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन के साथ। तो चलते हैं लैपटॉप की स्क्रीन पर और सुनते हैं, लेकिन उससे पहले जाने से पहले हम अपनी प्यारी बेटी की से दुआ भी सुनेंगे और ओके एमन फातिमा, आर यू रेडी टू रीड दुआ?
Yes.
ओके प्लीज रीड दुआ।
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. رب زدني علما رب زدني علما رب زدني علما.
परवरदिगार मेरा सीना खोल दे और मेरे काम को मेरे लिए आसान कर दे और मेरी जुबान की गिरा सुलझा दे ताकि लोग मेरी बात समझ सकें। से आमीन।
Amen. Here Musa alayhi salam said, My Lord, open up for me my chest, and ease for me my task, and untie the knot from my tongue, that they may understand my speech.
Okay, Suratul Maida, Madaniya, Raku number 16 and verse number 120. Okay, Aimen Fatima, please read.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya ayyuhallazina amanu awfu bil'uqud. أحلت لكم بهيمة الأنعام إلا ما يتلى عليكم غير محل الصيد وأنتم حرم إن الله يحكم ما يريد.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah, very good. Okay, my dear viewers and teachers, I will tell you that about rules. The first one is yeah, you will stretch over there because this is a short mud over there, and this is the idgham you, and this ha directly connected with the lam mushadda with the zawar because there is a hamzatul wasl here. Halladhina, this is the ya madda here, and it is a madde or munfasil here because this is a short mud over there, and the letter Hamza is appear in the next word, separate word. So this is the madde munfasil. Amanu, you will stretch a little bit here. Aw, this is the vowel lean here. This is the vowel madda here, and this is also vowel madda here. And waqfan, when you stop at the last letter, dal zer di. This dal zer di become qalqala letter. Bouncing letters, there were 5 bouncing letters, Qutubu Jaddin, and when you stop at the last letter, this dal become dal sakina, and we put logically sukoon sign on dal, not physically, okay, logically, and you will read with the echo sound, bouncing letter, bil uqud, because this is the waqf mutlaq here. And this is ikfai shafi here. This is the ikfai shafi here because after a mim sakina, ba is appearing. So you make ikfai shafi here. And mim sakina rules. There were 3 mim sakina rules: idgham shafi, ikfai shafi, and izhar shafi. So you will read like this. Lakum, you make gunna here. Lakum bahimatul. Okay, this is the ya madda, and this is the alif madda here, and it is also madda here, and this is a lam standing zabar here, and you won't read this ya because this ya is empty letter, and we will skip this ya. and this is the ya lean, and this is the izhari shakli here after the mim sakina ghain letter. It's a throatal letters, and there were 6 throatal letters, so the ghain is one of them, and ya lean here. Okay, and muhillis lissaidi. Okay, ya lean here, and you make a ikfa here, right? Because after a nun sakina, ta letter is appearing, and there were 15 ikfa letters, so ta is one of them. You make ikfa wa antum, and izhari shakli है. अब यहाँ पर izhari shakli करेंगे. Hurum, hurum, in. Okay, this is, यहाँ पर आप गुन्ना करेंगे. Okay, inna Allah, you make gunna on nun mushadda, and you will read this lam mushadda. This is a ism jalalat, and you will read with the tafkhim, and tafkhim mean you will read boldly, heavily, hardly, and with the full mouth, and you will read with the tafkhim. Inna Allah yahqumu ma, this is alim madda, yurid, this is the ya madda, and a waqfan, this is the waqf tam here, end of the verse here, and this dal pesh do, it will be converted into dal sakina, and this dal sakina become dal qalqala letter, bouncing letter, and you will read ma yurid. MashaAllah, and I hope so you will like this video.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Allahu la ilaha illa hu al-hayyul qayyum la ta'khuzuhu sinatun wa la nawm lahu ma fis samawati wa ma fil ard ma zal ladhi yashfa'u 'indahu illa bi idhnihi ya'lamu ma bayna aydihim wa ma khalfahum ولا يحيطون بشيء من علمه إلا بما شاء وسع كرسيه السماوات والأرض ولا يؤوده حفظهما وهو العلي العظيم.
Okay, Aimen, Fatima, beta, now I'm going to read Urdu translation and English translation. So listen, be carefully. कोई माबूद नहीं सवाए अल्लाह के, वो खुद हमेशा से है और हर चीज को जिंदगी अता करने वाला है. वो खुद हमेशा से कायम है और पूरी कायनात को कायम रखने वाला है. ना उसको ऊंघ आती है और ना नींद. उस पर कभी गफलत तारी नहीं होती. जो कुछ जमीन और आसमान में है वो उसी का है. कौन ऐसा है जो उसकी इजाजत के बगैर उसके पास सिफारिश कर सके, इसलिए कि वो जानता है जो कुछ गुजर चुका है उसको भी और जो कुछ होने वाला है उसको भी. अल्लाह ताला के इल्म में से किसी चीज को इंसान अपनी समझ के दायरे में नहीं ला सकता, लेकिन सवाए जो कुछ अल्लाह चाहे. अल्लाह ताला की कुर्सी कुव्वत इतनी वसी है कि तमाम आसमान और जमीन को अपने घेरे में लिए हुए है और उनकी निगरानी और हिफाजत में अल्लाह के लिए कोई थकावट नहीं है. वो तो बहुत ही बुलंद और अजमत वाला है. Allah, there is no God but He. Al-Hayy, the ever-living. Al-Qayyum, the self-subsisting, eternal. No slumber can seize him nor sleep. His are all things in the heavens and on earth. Who is there that can intercede in his presence, except as he permits? He knoweth what appeareth to his creatures as before or after or behind them, nor shall they compass out of his knowledge except he, as he willeth. His kursi doth extend over the heavens and the earth, and he feeleth no fatigue in guarding and preserving them. He is Alai, the Most High, Al-Azim, the Supreme in glory. MashaAllah. May Allah keep you always happy and succeed you in Din Dunya and Akhirah. May Allah show you the right path, and may Allah save you from all the standing forces and their strategies and plannings. Ameen. So thank you very much for watching. Allah Hafiz beta. See you on Monday.
Allah Hafiz.